10 unique gadgets. At another level, 2025. Technology. In 2025 feels like it has stepped into a new chapter, where everyday tools carry a level of intelligence, precision, and design we only dreamed about a few years ago. What used to be futuristic now sits casually on desks, kitchen counters, and living room shelves. But every now and then, a handful of gadgets rise above the crowd. Not because they are flashy, but because they genuinely change the way people live and experience their routines. Today's video dives into 10 devices that stand out in ways you feel the moment you use them, each one bringing a fresh twist to daily life while reminding us just how fast innovation is moving. MSI Clutch GM41 Lightweight Pro Gaming Mouse. The MSI Clutch GM41 feels almost unreal the first time you hold it, because it weighs so little you begin to rethink what control actually means. Instead of relying on bulk or aggressive curves, it uses an airy frame and a beautifully responsive sensor that makes even quick flicks feel effortless. Gamers who struggle with hand fatigue notice the difference instantly, especially during long sessions where every gram of weight matters. The mouse glides with such smoothness that it almost feels like an extension of intention rather than a device you grip, creating a rhythm that keeps reactions sharp without forcing the hand to work harder. What makes it stand out in 2025 is how quietly powerful it is. Not loud, not dramatic, just precise and naturally aligned with fast decision-making. Nikon Z9 Mirrorless Camera. Holding the Nikon Z9 is like carrying a piece of technology that understands speed, light, and movement at a level most cameras struggle to match. Photographers talk about the almost addictive responsiveness, where the camera keeps up with fast action as if it already knows what the next moment will look like. The clarity has a depth that pulls out textures you did not even see with your eyes, making everyday scenes look cinematic. Even people who are not professional photographers feel the confidence it gives, because it removes the fear of missing the perfect shot. Pericone MD Radiance Face Cream. This face cream is one of those products that surprises people because the results do not rely on heaviness or greasiness. Instead, it absorbs quickly and leaves behind a natural glow that looks like the skin decided to wake up on its own. Over time, people notice a smoother texture and a more balanced tone, especially when used routinely. It feels luxurious without being overpowering, almost like giving the skin a quiet boost rather than layering it with too much richness. The fragrance is subtle, which makes it easy to wear daily without feeling like you're applying something artificial. Ryotoro CR250P Gaming Chair. The Ryotoro CR250P takes the idea of a gaming chair and shifts it toward genuine comfort rather than just flashy looks. Sitting in it feels like settling into a seat that understands natural posture instead of forcing you into stiff angles. The cushioning has just enough firmness to support long sessions, but enough softness to keep the body relaxed even after hours of use. People who work and game in the same space appreciate how the chair adapts to both modes without creating back tension. Its smooth adjustments allow height and recline changes that feel fluid instead of mechanical. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 Smartphone. Opening the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 still feels like witnessing a tiny magic trick, even in 2025. The shift from phone to tablet happens so smoothly that it changes how people think about mobile multitasking. Watching videos, reading, sketching, and managing work apps suddenly feels natural, as if the device was built to adapt to whatever the user needs in that moment. The hinge feels more refined, and the display folds without the distracting crease older models struggled with. The whole experience gives the impression that you are carrying two devices in one without the usual bulk. Tefal Cook 4 Me Plus Smart Multi-Cooker. The Tefal Cook 4 Me Plus is one of those kitchen gadgets that starts as a convenience and ends up becoming something people rely on almost every day. It takes recipes that normally require patience and turns them into quick, controlled processes without losing flavor. Beginners enjoy how it guides them through each step, while experienced cooks love how consistent the results are. The device handles everything from stews to rice dishes to vegetables with almost effortless precision, making weeknight meals feel less chaotic. The real magic is the way it saves time without sacrificing taste, giving people the freedom to cook flavorful meals even on busy days. It brings a sense of calm to the kitchen, which many households appreciate more than they expected. Ubiquiti Unified Dream Router. The Ubiquiti Unified Dream Router stands out because it treats home connectivity like a priority instead of an afterthought. The range is strong, the network remains stable even with multiple devices, and the router handles smart home setups without slowing down. People with heavy internet needs, streaming, gaming, remote work, notice how the connection stays reliable even during peak hours. Managing the router feels surprisingly simple because the interface gives clear information without confusing menus. The design blends into modern homes without looking like a bulky gadget, and once it is set up, it rarely needs attention. It gives a sense of digital stability that makes busy households feel smoother and less cluttered by connection issues. ViewSonic X100 4K Projector. The ViewSonic X100 4K projector turns living rooms into cinematic spaces with an image depth that pulls you into whatever you are watching. The colors look rich without being overly exaggerated, and the detail holds up even in larger projections, which makes movie nights feel upgraded without requiring a full home theater build. Setting it up is easier than people expect because the built-in adjustments help align the image quickly. The projector runs quietly, which keeps the focus on the content rather than the device itself. Over time, users appreciate how it transforms ordinary evenings into immersive viewing experiences that feel far more engaging than a standard television. Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro gives people a clear window into what happens outside their home, with crisp visuals and a wide field of view that captures details others might miss. The installation is straightforward, and once it is up, the device offers a sense of awareness that feels reassuring without being intrusive. Notifications arrive quickly, and the footage remains easy to review even on busy days. Users appreciate how it blends convenience with practicality, offering a glance at deliveries, visitors, or unexpected activity with minimal effort. What makes it special is how much capability it delivers without needing a complex setup or an overwhelming interface. Xiaomi Mi TV Q1. The Xiaomi Mi TV Q1 delivers a viewing experience that strikes a satisfying balance between sharpness, brightness, and smooth motion. The colors have a natural richness that works well for movies, sports, and everyday streaming without feeling excessive or artificial. The interface is quick and intuitive, making it easy to jump between apps without lag or confusion. People enjoy the seamless integration of content recommendations and the responsive navigation that keeps everything moving fluidly. It becomes the kind of device that quietly enhances the living room, offering a modern look and a reliable performance that holds up well over time. If you enjoy videos that break down real-world technology in a clear and engaging way, subscribe and stay connected. More deep dives into game-changing innovations are coming soon. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the devices that make your world smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable.